Guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra, and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So, dear friends, I am here with model test paper 100 MCQs. These questions are very useful for competitive exam. So, if you find this question useful, then please like, share, and subscribe Pankaj Institute of English. So, let's start our first question. Irving Babbitt worked as a professor from 1894 till his death at Harvard of option A French, option B Romance languages, option C Italian, and option D linguistic. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option A French. Question number second. Which novel of Thomas James Farrell is about a boy who joins a priest anti-Semitic campaign? Option A. My Days of Anger. Option B. Bernard Clare. Option C. Domi Gallagher Crusade. And option D. Alan Rogers. The correct answer of this question is option C. Tommy Gallagher's Crusade. Question number 3. A work of Henry Miller which describes the emotional and intellectual life of an American expatriate in Paris and which is marked by its frank treatment of sexual relation is option A Tropic of Capricorn, option B Tropic of Cancer, option C Black Spring, and option D the cosmological eyes. The correct answer is option B Tropic of Cancer. Now, question number 4. Who wrote the following about novel writing? Every great novel must first of all be based on a profound sense of moral value and then constructed with a classical unity and economy of means. Option A Benjamin Franklin, option B William Dean Howell, option C Edith Wharton, and option D Ernest Hemingway. Option C Edith Wharton is the correct answer. Now question number 5. One of the following is not work of Mark Twain. Identify it. इनमें से कौन सा वर्क मार्क ट्वेन का नहीं है, पहचानना है. ऑप्शन ए द जंपिंग फ्रॉग ऑफ कैलेवरास काउंटी, द मैन दैट करप्टेड हेडलबर्ग, ऑप्शन सी कनेक्टिकट यांकी इन किंग ऑथर्स कोर्ट, ऑप्शन डी द अवेकनिंग. The correct answer of this question is option D the awakening. Now question number 6. War Weary Shore is a novel which portrays symbolic treatment of conflict between leftist and rightist political forces in the US. Identify its writer. Option A Norman Mailer, option B Henry James Jr., option C Bernard Malamud, option D Henry James Sr. The correct answer is option A Norman Mailer. Norman Mailer is the correct answer. So we can say yes, Norman Mailer is the correct answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Yes. Now question number 7. William Faulkner was awarded the Pulitzer Prize twice in. विलियम फॉकनर को जो ये था प्राइज़ मिला था वो दो बार मिला, 1954 एंड 1962. ऑप्शन बी 1954 एंड 1960, ऑप्शन सी 1960 एंड 1963, and option D 1955 and 1961. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option A 1954 and 1962. Question number 8. Who wrote After the Fall, a two-act emotional play modeled on the stream of consciousness technique? Option A Theodore Dreiser, option B W.H. Longfellow, option C Arthur Miller, and option D Henry James. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller is the correct answer. Arthur Miller is the correct answer. Now, question number 9. How does Young, the central character, differ from Aristotelian tragic hero? Option A. He does not meet his tragic and despite his flaws. Option B. There is a sudden reversal of fate at the end, which is different from Aristotelian tragic. Option C. Option C. He meets a tragic end without having any tragic flaw. And option D. None of the above. So the correct answer is option C. Option C. Yes. Option C. He meets a tragic end without having any tragic flaw. Now question number 10. Which American novelist committed suicide by gunshot in 1961? किस अमेरिकन नॉवलिस्ट ने आत्महत्या की थी गन से? ऑप्शन ए पॉल ब्लैकबर्न, ऑप्शन बी इरविंग बैपेट, ऑप्शन सी थियोडोर ड्रेसियर एंड ऑप्शन डी अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे. तो ये अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे इज द करेक्ट आंसर, ऑप्शन डी. Now question number 11. Edgar Allan Poe's Eureka is a. Option A poem, option B play, option C short story and option D prose poem. The correct answer is option D prose poem. Question number 12. The Victory at Sea, The Life and Letters of Walter Hines Page, and The Training of an American by Burton J.C. Hendricks have something common. What is it? Option A. They are all plays. Option B. They are the part of trilogy. Option C. They are all Pulitzer Prize winners. And option D. They were all rejected by the readers. However, they are popular now. So we can say the question number 12, the correct answer is option D. ऑप्शन डी दे वर ऑल रिजेक्टेड, उन सबको रिजेक्ट कर दिया था बाय द रीडर्स. हाउ एवर दे आर पॉपुलर नाउ, तो भी वो आज पॉपुलर हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. विच अमेरिकन ऑथर रोट ए बुक ऑन बेस्ट इंडियन नॉवलिस्ट बी एस नायपॉल इन 1972? Which American author wrote a book on best Indian novelist B.S. Naipaul in 1972? Option A. Lawrence Thompson. Option B. Paul Theroux. Option C. Leon Uris. And option D. John Updike. The correct answer is option B. Paul Thorex. Paul Thorex. Now question number 14. For question number 14. Which is the correct sequence of Ake's African trilogy? Option A. Things Fall Apart, Arrow of God, No Longer at Ease. No Longer at Ease, Arrow of God, Things Fall Apart. Things Fall Apart, No Longer at Ease, Arrow of God. Option C. And option D. Arrow of God, Things Fall Apart and No Longer at Ease. Dear friends, I have already told you the question related to chronological sequence आर वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन हर एग्जाम में कुछ पूछे ही जाते हैं, इसलिए इस क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर होगा वो ऑप्शन सी होगा. थिंग्स फॉल पार्ट, नो लॉन्गर एट ईज, एरो ऑफ गॉड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. द मैन कैरेक्टर ऑफ निकोलाई गोगोलोज डेड सोल इज. ऑप्शन ए ओब्लोमोव, ऑप्शन बी Bazarov, option C Aloysa and option D Chichikov. The correct answer is option C Aloysa is the correct answer. Now question number 16. Darkness at Noon was written by. ऑप्शन ए विलियम गोल्डिंग, ऑप्शन बी जोसेफ कर्नाड, ऑप्शन सी एल्डस हक्सले एंड ऑप्शन डी आर्थर कोएस्टलर। द करेक्ट आंसर इज आर्थर कोएस्टलर। एंड डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो। सो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूज़फुल लगें तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑथर बुक पेयर इज करेक्टली मैच्ड। ऑप्शन ए अरुंधति राय, द आटम ऑफ द पैट्रियार्क, ऑप्शन बी गैब्रियल ग्रेसिया मार्ग्स, लव इन द टाइम ऑफ कॉलेरा, ऑप्शन सी अंबर टू एको, द दिन द टिन ड्रम, एंड ऑप्शन डी झुम्पा लाहिरी बिलव्ड। द करेक्ट आंसर इज गैब्रियल क्रेसिया गैब्रियल क्रेसिया मुर्केज, लव इन द टाइम ऑफ कॉलरा। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। And this is the last question, dear friends. Which of the following women writers did not receive a Nobel Prize? Option A Toni Morrison, Nadine Gardiner, option C Buchi Mehta, and option D Doris Lessing. The correct answer is Buchi Mehta is the correct answer. So dear friends, thank you for watching this video. इस प्रकार से यदि आपको क्वेश्चन यूज़फुल लगे हों तो इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक शेयर करिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। इस प्रकार से इन वीडियोस को यदि आप केवल सुनते हैं तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन लर्न होते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।